Hi guys, today we're going to be making a quarantine sandwich and it's really easy. All you need is quarantine sauce, ham, cheese, and bread. So we're going to first put the quarantine sauce onto the bread. So I put chives in the quarantine sauce to represent all the money lost from the stock market crash. After we put the special quarantine sauce on the bread, we're going to put the ham and the cheese. So I split the cheese in two to represent my social life, broken. So after we put the ham and cheese, we're going to put the top slice of bread, then we're going to take it to the stove and toast it. So after the first side is done being toasted, you're going to flip it and toast the other side. Then the last and final step after making the quarantine sandwich is to eat it. So after I was done eating my quarantine sandwich, I just went right back to studying for my AP test. And thank you so much for watching my quarantine sandwich video. I hope you guys have a lot of fun in quarantine, just as much as I am.